Hi, it's your boy Jacob25 here, and you're watching the most cringiest YouTube channel ever.
It's your boy Jacob25 here, back with another video. Today we'll be covering on how to get the MIDA multi-tool, exotic, I think scout rifle. Yeah, scout rifle. And you need to complete all the missions on the EDZ, aka Earth, aka the European Dead Zone, which is this planet right here. You need to complete all the world line quest, which is the quest this guy offers, and the blue quest that occurs everywhere around the map, not purple, blue. You just need to complete all the blue missions, not the dark blue, not the light blue, dark blue. Alright, and once you have done that and got the multi-tool, or the mini multi-tool from Divrim K, you gotta go back to the tower and talk to this guy right here, Banshee, and offer a quest called sight, shoot, and repeat. I already got a head start on this because I didn't want like a whole bunch of you just watching me shoot stuff while I'm talking. So yeah. So I saved a whole lot of time. I saved like 10 minutes. I did this before the video started, so yeah. So first step, you need to eliminate enemies with precision shots, which is like headshots basically. Just try to get a lot of headshots, like headshot kills on NPCs. If you do it on I'm not sure if it works on Crucible, but if you do it on Crucible, I'm gonna just say it doesn't work because, you know, it says enemies and not guardians or players or whatever. Yeah, that's objective 1. Just get headshot kills, basically. I went to the EDZ and got all of these headshots. And then number 2, eliminate multiple enemies without reloading. So I've been doing this, and 3 is max. Once you get 3 kills, you just need to reload immediately, because it'll count as 1. And then all of this needs to be done with a scout rifle. If you do not have a scout rifle, that's on you. You don't have a scout rifle. Alright, so I'm gonna show you. So this is what I mean by headshot. 1, 2. That's headshot. Headshot kill. Those are headshot kills. And I overdid it, and all I needed to do was 3 kills, but you know, this is the last 3 kill streak, so and that's it. That's all you need to do. I got text, hold up. Alright, so once you have done that, you need to go back to Banshee. I'll just cut the part out where I'm fast traveling to Banshee. And yeah, you need to go back to Banshee and talk to him. And see you there in a bit. Alright, once you are back at the tower, go to Banshee, like I said in the other clip. Yeah, over here.
Don't look too banged up.
And this should be called Under the Hood. You just gotta accept it. And go over here. Well, you don't have to go there. You can just stay there and open your inventory. Or direct. And open up your quest. See the steps. And you have to dismantle 5 valuable scout rifles. So that's either blue or legendary, which is purple. And the blue is rare. That's all you need to do. Dismantle rare and legendary. Okay, blue or purple not difficulty, rarity. I am pretty sure I have some in here. Yeah, I only have one. Kinda disappointing. Oh, no, I have and 3. Only 3? Nice. This man. Yeah, I've been saving these for a while now when I got this quest.
New worlds mean new secrets.
Just dismantle all your scout rifles you currently have. You just need to sell your scout rifles. It only counts 1, obviously, because you know you're selling each one for 1. And I'll see you then when I get some scout rifles. Alright. So like I said in the last clip, I need 50 airborne minas. I got that set up already, so let's it has to be SMGs or it'll see, that's how you get it. And I hate when it takes it when the quest takes off your tracked thing. It's annoying. You gotta go back to Banshee, and then I'm pretty sure you get the gun as soon as you speak to Banshee. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit when I get there. Once you have got to the tower, go to Banshee, like I said, and then once you get to Banshee, you can read this damn thing if you want, but really, you just need the gun. I was hoping for it to be above level 960, but it's 960, so
good eye. Make us proud.
And yeah, that's all you needed to do
With the most difficult
for the MIDA multi-tool.
It
It is a kinetic weapon, it is a scout rifle. Oh yeah, that's right, I think I sold it. Yeah, I sold it. Well, if you have the moldy MIDA tool and then the mini MIDA tool, let me show you guys. So, gun. If you have this gun and the multi-MIDA tool, it is a really good combo. So like, I would recommend using this in PvP because it's a really good combo, and you move like pretty quickly.
Possibly be that.
See, look, this you already saw it. It boosts its speed, like
Do you have something
generate a lot.
I need a break. Hey, Warlock.
And this is a scout rifle too, so you can pretty much have a really good finger.
That's right.
Because this one right here, it increases range and stability, and it increases handling speed. Well, it's not really much, but you know the range and stability is not really much, but the handling is very high, and the reloading speed is hella good. That's why it's good.
Engram is the key.
And then this increases speed and range too. I don't really see the increase in range though, because it's kind of trash, but it's good. Then the radar stays active while aiming sight. So when you're aiming down sights, the radar right here still appears, which is a really useful perk on the gun. You will never get any other perk with this except this gun, because this is the only gun that has this perk. It's really good. And then stability, yeah, you know. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and if you like this tutorial and you're wanting more tutorials, Destiny 2 exotic tutorials, I'm having a brain fart here. If you enjoyed today's Destiny 2 tutorial, you should subscribe, because I will be doing more. And if you want to see my future tutorials, subscribe, so like you can know which is what and how to get this with this. And if you're new around here, subscribe, and if you enjoyed today's video, leave a like. And if you got any ideas, like what exotic should I get, because I don't have Forsaken, so I can only get Warmind or Cyrus, Red Legion, and Shadowkeep exotics only. I don't have Forsaken yet, so there's a lot of good exotics in Forsaken, which I want to try and get, but I find. So yeah, and got any ideas for how to get other exotics? Leave it down in the comments down below, and